So yes, I felt satisfied because the meals were enough to keep me full. For example, having rice in the morning plus eggs, and I also had banana cue in the afternoon as my snack. So it really stopped me from being too full. So I think the balance of meals and snacks helped me to get through the day without craving too much extra food. So my energy stayed steady throughout the day, especially when I had vegetables. It gave me quick energy when I needed it. Also, eating rice and the egg made me feel strong enough for the day. And while eating the snacks, it somehow lifted my mood because they were enjoyable. So overall, I felt good and not too tired. Yes, I had encountered some challenges. One of it was that the meals were a little repetitive. So even if I like the food, eating almost the same things could get boring after a while. So it might be better if I added some varieties like different kinds of fruits or vegetables, so it's easier to follow the plan every day.